Okay, this is Daryl. I'm back with another video. It's been a while since I've done one. We've had a little crazy time going on, so sorry about that. I know I'm not getting very many views. Hopefully this will be a start off of some more regular content. Today I wanted to talk about making a brass display plate for a Boy Scout. You'll see here on the screen, this outline is the size of the plate. It is 4 inches tall and 10 inches wide. I'm going to use my fiber laser to do this with, and there is a problem. Because if you look at this square right here, I'm going to bring it down to the middle. This red square represents the maximum area that I can laser engrave with my fiber laser. It's basically 5 3/4 inches in height and in width, and you can see I can't do the whole plate at once. So what are we going to do? Well, I'm going to split this up in 3 sections. I'm going to split it up, and this logo here on this side, along with these 2 little dots, I know they're hard to see. Let's zoom in. Those dots are going to represent where they wanted a screw hole to mount the plate. I'm just going to mark that with a laser and then drill them out later with a drill press. I'm going to mark this one. Let me get rid of that square. So this is the text that he wants done. I'm going to mark it separately. And on this side, I'm going to mark this logo with these screw holes, 2 screw holes. And how we're getting all that lined up, that's what we're going to try to show you today. So anyway, basically, you put all the text on there, you put on the logos, you decide where you want the screw holes, and you mark them. So this side is going to be marked in red, this one's going to be in green, and you can see this is going to be in blue. That's not going to be the colors that it's going to show up. Of course, there's no colors on the fiber laser, at least not when I'm cutting on brass. So how are we going to do that? Well, I've already got them separated in 3 separate sections here. As you can see the highlights, and there's the highlight of that, and I can move those separately like that. So what am I going to do to line that up? That's the problem. How are you going to line that up when you get it in the laser? Well, it's easy to line this one up because it's going to be perfectly in the center, so I don't have to worry about it so much. But how am I going to line these end ones up? So what I did was I made a square around each side. So you can see what I did. Just basically cut that rectangle in half and made a rectangle around it. Same thing on the other side. Bring it down. And I've done those in black. So the significance of doing them in black versus the other colors is when I get it into the fiber laser, I can select the black one and let's have it show on the laser where it's going to be cut. And now that I know it's cut, I can line my brass plate up with where that line is showing on the laser. So I can line that corner up with that corner, and then I can select the piece I want to engrave, which is in the case this one, and it will be in the right spot. And then when I get ready to do the blue one, I do the same thing. I put a line around it, a rectangle around it. Let's get this one out of the way. And it's right here. And I project that onto the laser bed and move the brass plate around until I get that corner matching with the corner that is showing on the laser. And then I laser that one. Everything will be aligned, everything will be perfect. And that's basically it. I just wanted a quick video to show you how I line things up. And I'll show you the engraving here in a minute, the video of that. And you can kind of see what I'm talking about, hopefully. And anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned here for a minute, and I'll show you the actual engraving if you're interested in that. If not, have a good day, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.